Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on June 11th called for true cooperative federalism to achieve the vision of Vikasit Bharat while addressing the 11th Governing Council meeting of NITI Aayog in New Delhi, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, marking the end of former Chief Minister Siddaramaia's boycott of the event. Shivakumar said that around 40% of Bengaluru's population comprises migrants from other states, increasing the need for greater central assistance to upgrade the city's infrastructure. He said the Karnataka government has identified and begun implementing infrastructure projects worth 1 lakh crore rupees in Bengaluru to improve urban mobility and strengthen the city's resilience to climate change. Seeking enhanced support under the Urban Challenge Fund and other schemes, he said such assistance is crucial to maintaining Bengaluru's status as a global city. Shivakumar also urged the centre and the states to work as equal partners and proposed a one-time infrastructure grant for government schools and colleges. Incentives for states that achieve measurable improvements in nutrition, healthcare, education, skill development, employment generation and sustainability, and greater investment in technology, research and human capital to address global economic and geopolitical challenges. He called on to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs to strictly enforce corporate social responsibility norms to improve rural health and education infrastructure. He also proposed the creation of a centralized job portal through which industries could share their workforce requirements and skill needs for the next 3 years. The Chief Minister further sought approval for the rapid rail transit system connecting central Bengaluru with Kolar, Mysuru, Tumkuru and Chikballapura. Earlier, he met Union Urban Development Minister Manohar Lal Khattar and requested early clearance for 13,549.6 crore rupees worth of project under the UCF, including an elevated corridor project 6,287 crore rupees, 9 sewage treatment plants 1,350 crore rupees and 2 packages of the peripheral ring road project 5,912 crore rupees. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.